County in
What the
northeastern
hell?
Illinois, southern Grundy County in northeastern Illinois until 9:45 p.m. At 8:46 p.m., a wall of dust was along a line extending from
This is my first dust storm warning ever.
moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, near zero visibility with damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour. Source, emergency management.
This is my first dust storm warning ever.
Life-threatening travel, including the following interstate 55 between mile markers.
And this is saying Tune TV.
29. This wall of dust will be near Odell around 9 p.m.
This is actually my first dust storm warning ever.
Around 9:20 p.m. Cullum around 9:30 p.m. Chatsworth around 9:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by this wall of dust include Campus, South Wilmington, Kinsman, Reddit, East Brooklyn,
What the
Verona, Rainbow, Hemington, and Strawn. Motorists should not drive into a dust storm. Pull aside.
This
stay
is the
alive.
greatest stream ever.
There is no safe place on the highway when a dust storm hits. Visibility can be lost immediately, making it difficult or impossible to slow down and avoid stopped vehicles. Delay travel, or safely exit the highway before the dust storm arrives. Strong to severe thunderstorms are also possible behind this wall of dust.
This is...
Keep updated with this.
Oh my god, a dust storm warning. A fucking dust storm warning.